Our Master of Business Administration, taught at our Marylebone campus, is designed for ambitious professionals and recent graduates eager to launch their management careers. Unlike traditional MBAs requiring extensive work experience, the Westminster MBA equips you with advanced business knowledge and practical leadership skills right from the start. You will gain invaluable hands-on experience through a 3-month internship, which students are expected to secure themselves, and a week-long consulting project with a client company organized by the course team. The course offers cutting-edge facilities including an MBA Boardroom, digital classroom and state-of-the-art Bloomberg trading room. Combining academic rigor with practical business leadership experiences, this program will prepare you to meet the demands of today's global markets. This degree opens doors to roles such as business development manager, digital product owner, management consultant, and startup entrepreneur. Graduates of the Westminster MBA have gone on to secure positions at top organizations including Amazon, Citibank, Societe Generale, Santander, Standard Chartered and the World Economic Forum.